You're looking live at the Crew Dragon spacecraft on top of a Falcon 9 rocket set to launch 3 astronauts and 1 cosmonaut to the International Space Station in a little more than 3 hours. And welcome to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida for live coverage of NASA and SpaceX's launch of Crew-6, now streaming in 4K resolution. I'm NASA's Daryl Nail, and with me is NASA astronaut Raja Chari. Great to have you here, Colonel.
Super happy to be here, Daryl, and what a beautiful night for a launch, other than some mosquitoes.
You know, something interesting about Raja being here, besides the mosquitoes, which are a little bit of a bother, is he has actually never witnessed a launch firsthand.
Yeah, so Kayla and I, our first launch was being on the rocket, and so Kayla got to see one. Now I get to see one live myself. So looking forward to seeing it from the outside.
We are going to enjoy seeing and hearing it through your perspective as you watch it for the first time. But you were in the rocket, and that's why you're here to give us all of that.
Exactly. I don't get a whole lot of pity when I tell people I haven't seen it.
No, not at all. Well, let's talk about Crew-6. They are already getting suited up. And we've got a little bit of video that was recorded earlier, less than an hour ago, of Crew-6 in that historic astronaut crew quarters suit-up room. And there you see the commander, Stephen Bowen, in his seat. It is exactly as the seats are inside the Dragon. There's Woody Hoburg, the pilot for today.
Yep, that's exactly it. The foam fittings and everything like that are exactly their Sultan, one of the mission specialists. And so what they do is 2 by 2, they pressurize them up, check the comm system, and basically are checking to make sure there's no malfunctions in the suit, because you'd rather fix that there than out on the pad.
Absolutely. And so they're also connected up there, right, with those umbilicals?
They are, yep, just like they are in the spacecraft. So they're checking out the suit side umbilical connection, make sure the cooling's working, make sure the comm's working. They take them up to pressure just like they would in the suit pressure checks, and make sure that there's 2 layers of the suit. There's a pressure garment and then a restraint garment. So they're making sure all the zippers for both those layers are holding correctly before they go out to the pad.